guys, my name is Ricky Manjira. Do you know I give the video from YouTube the name of Tubo? That's a jerk joke, right? Now I bring you my funny dog. This is one of them is Chihuahua, and this is a Helder. But look at this. This is very small Helder. Actually, this is not a baby, you know. It's 2 years old. And so that I call him Mini Helder. Okay, this Chihuahua is naughty. I think this is the naughtiest dog ever I see, because he always is running around, and I cannot catch him. Yeah, that's the ugly one. Okay, let me define the character. First, Muffin. Muffin is so many fur, and he's the dirtiest dog. And he's a little bit dirty, and he likes to eat poop. You know, poop, cat poop. If I play with him in the garden like that, so he always find you know what? Find a poop. You know what poop? Cat poop. That's the ugly one. And that's why I hate cats. That's why I want to hunt cat. So in the world there is no cat. Okay. This is my cute dog, and he like to see. Even he can dance. Okay, now the Mocha.
Gangnam Style.
Mocha is the scariest dog. He is very fearsome. Very fearsome. Always fearsome. Cat. He's not catching cat, but he afraid with cat, dude. And this is like cat. And my dog is a girl. This is a boy, this is a girl. But accidentally, what happened? Because when he barks, it's like a girl. When she barks, it's like a boy. That's why it is weird. Okay, guys. Now look at this. He cannot really stand up, but he has a big eye and a long leg. And now if they have a child, maybe we're gonna sell it, because he already 1 year more. Okay, this is all my dog. Look at this funny face, like. Okay, dude. This time I disconnect from here. Okay. Okay, now say goodbye. Wait a minute, I'm not saying goodbye yet. Of course. Look at this. Even Muffin can Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style, no? Like this. Show it, Muffin. Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppa Gangnam Style. How about this? This is the scary dog. And this is Chicken.